Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the emoticon on the EAFC24 mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your EAFC mobile account, and if you already logged in, you can go to the club on the main menu. You can go to the club menu, and then you can go to the locker room, and on the locker room you can click the emotes. Okay, and here you can set the emoticon that you want. Okay, if you want to change the emoticon, you can click like this. Okay, you need to X or delete the emoticon on the already selected, and then you can change it into the a new emoticon that you want to use. Okay, like this. And if you already done, you can click confirm, and now the settings of your emoticon is already set up. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. You haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.